Good afternoon and welcome to the plot. I'm just going to do a quick 60-second video on how to harvest beetroot. I usually start by watering the ground a bit. This will literally just loosen up the soil and allow you to harvest a little bit easier. Find your beetroot that is piercing above the ground, and that's a very good specimen. Grasp all of the stems together and slowly prise, and as simple as that, you have your beetroot harvested. Demonstrate one more time for you on this beautiful specimen just in here. As you can see, it's well and truly above the ground. That is ready to harvest. It's going to be a lot bigger than the one I just did. All them stems together and pull, and look at that beauty. Bolt hardy beetroot. 60-second tips. Thanks for watching.